Guess who's here? Hello, people. 1 2 1 2. Give me a 1 if you can hear me. Sound should be okay though. Sound should be alright. Hope everybody's good. We're back at it. We're back at it from the new place. So I literally just let the internet guy out of the apartment. So you are the first people that are getting fresh internet connection from me. But hope everybody is good. We just came back from a trip and I've been busy only. So haven't been focused on the charts too much. Haven't been able to do much work in front of the charts, to be fair. Haven't been able to do much for you guys also, sadly. But we're coming back. But we're coming back. Oh, I have a trade going already. And not only I have a trade going already, I wanna talk. I've been chatting to people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is somewhere that I go non-stop, you know? And sorry for the angle itself. I'm watching on my right-hand side where the chart is, so I don't have my setup done yet, so I'm sorry about it. But I've been chatting to people, and I hate when people make assumptions, and I hate when people not only make assumptions, but they believe that what they think. Okay, how to put it? I've been chatting to a group of people for quite a while now that are in finance, that are doing pretty much what I do, but they do it long term. They work more like investors, not day traders. They work with the same chart possibly. Maybe they do even the same analysis, you know, but on a higher time frame. But I hate when it happens when people believe in what they understand to be the universal truth. That's what I wanted to say. So what I mean by that is that I saw a nicely written comment and nicely written post on LinkedIn that I even liked because I liked what was written there, but it started in a way where it said, I'm quoting, intraday price action is too random to generate consistent returns and grow wealth. There's no edge. And to that I say bullshit. And to that I say not true because we're doing it. And to that I say, listen guys, you shouldn't be saying that to your audience out loud because it's not the truth, because I'm doing it for what, 5 years now? Intraday, random price action that I'm trading. So, and I just get with comments like that, it frustrates me because whatever the comment is, in terms of people talking next to me, in front of me, behind me, whatever, I can't stand when people put their beliefs as universal truth, just like that guy did. And right now, I'm talking about it, which is funny, which is interesting. But I'm sharing it with you because I get into conversations like that a lot with people that are white collar, let's say. With people that don't live stream like we're doing right now, and with people that are, let's say, maybe even a little bit afraid of doing it live because they're afraid to make a mistake. They're afraid to see what other people are gonna think about it and so on and so forth. And I'm here doing it in front of you, and we have a trade open. We have an order block here that is being held by this hourly fair value gap. And if that doesn't hold, that's where we're going next. Right? And I'm happy to say that I am in a trade and I don't give two fucks if I lose it, because tomorrow we're gonna enter it again. You know? And I'm quite certain we're not gonna do much today. But this is what I wanted to share. I hate when people believe their truth to be universal. Like, oh my god, it boils me. Makes me frustrating. Especially when this time it touched something that we do, which is day trade, which is look at this randomness, you know, and then nothing here is random. Everything is fucking predictable. Everything is manageable if you know what you're doing, you know? You're not plain old stupid when you're sitting in front of the chart like this. But with that in mind, hope everybody has been good. Hope everybody has been great. I'm back. I'm doing this in front of you guys again. We had a nice time in Austria. We spent majority of our time in Vienna. Not majority, all of our time in Vienna there. And we had fun. Visited some palaces. Did a lot of walking. Did a lot of sightseeing, let's say, here and there. Went to an amusement park, which was fun. And yeah, which was fun. So now I'm opening the charts because what I have to do is we have to get going a little bit, right? Because we haven't done much work on the indices nor Nasdaq this week just yet, you know? So we have to dig in. And but yeah, we had fun. We went to a Coldplay concert last night. So what I'm saying is that I'm a bit dead. I'm cooked, let's say, because we slept like for 5 hours and we went out to come back to Lithuania like early this morning. So I am tired, and you probably feel it off my energy, but we all gathered here to read markets, get some price action going, haven't we? So let's start with that, and then we're gonna dive deeper into how the challenge is going, what's going on overall, but we're not gonna stay long here because my dad is visiting. So anytime we went through, that's good. Any time of the day, my dad was gonna call me saying, listen, let me in, let's hang out. So that's where I'm gonna go. Gotta keep it real, right? Gotta keep it real because I have a life too, you know? But Thursday high of the week is my expectation. This is what we went over in the weekly outlook. We are expecting a high of the week either on Tuesday or Thursday this week. And we're getting that hopefully today, you see. FOMC yesterday, just awful. Tuesday trading consolidation throughout the day. Totally reasonable. Like Monday does a little bit of running around, which is cool. Accumulation during Tuesday, very, very normal for FOMC. And look at this parabolic move right now that we're getting. That's not gonna stick. That's not gonna stick. So the markets are open. Let's do some drawing exercises, right? But before I do, welcome back to the stream, everybody. Welcome back. Hope everybody is having a very nice week. I hope you missed me. Hello, Gus. Hello, Edgarus. Hope you guys are good. Let me know how you've been. Let me know if you traded. Let me know if you did anything this week so far, okay? Sell side from yesterday. So let's take a look. Hourly inversion right here. We have that buy side still on NQ resting above 2162. 2162. Put it to your notes, okay? And this got inverted. Which is cool. I don't like it too much because it's not too pleasant to look for a high of the week right after such an inversion, but we're gonna have to consider the buy side from yesterday was the target if we want to get it, right? We'll see. But what I was going to say is that thank you for showing up. Thank you for being here. I'm dead. I'm being totally honest. I'm tired. I'm dead. I'm just doing it in a way because I promised you guys that I'm gonna show up. So, showing up. Hope you can appreciate it. But I can't even feel my face in a way. Markets opened up 9:30. SMTs at the top, which were great. 15 minutes inversion. Yeah. Liquidity resting down below. Hello, Thomas. Hello, hello. Ay. I'm not too excited to trade, to be fair. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chat. I'd rather do that. Because very honestly, trading for me drains bunches of energy. Trading for me is something that is very intense, very rapid, very stressful on my body in a way. Not stressful for myself, not stressful emotionally, not anymore. It's very stressful on my body because I'm in this. I'm going. I'm rock and roll, you know. So it's when I'm feeling as dead as I am right now, it's not a good choice to go for it. No way. So what we're gonna do is, again, hourly pushing to the upside. This is all good. Liquidity resting up above. Hourly liquidity up there as well. Everything above here bullish. 15 minutes. Same. Then 5. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably not even gonna run away from 5-minute chart. We're gonna stick to 5 minutes so we can read the market, see what happens. Okay? And figure out on the go. Okay? That euro is gonna get hooked. Yeah, too bad. I really wanted this to hold. There's that hourly imbalance here on dollar, you see? Right here, sell side even though taken, hourly imbalance. Like I really wanted us to stick in here. But we did not, so what are you gonna do about it, right? Let's get back to this. GU just took those buy stops resting above, so now this is a nice opportunity for us to do some work. I like this. I like the fact that GU just took out buy stops. I'm opening it up for you. Here we go, buy side resting above, taken. I know some of you on Discord went long here, went short, like, won't comment on that, okay? But now, let's see if we can invert this. And if we do, I'm gonna be interested, okay? And indices, let's just stick to 5 minutes chart. So, Gus, okay, I don't want to brag, but basically, this stuff that you're doing is starting to make sense, and I'm starting to notice things on the charts too. Who fucking Ray? Hooray, man. Like I can now notice proper YouTube, and then to be honest, took only 2 trades yesterday and they were from, man, that's good. So starting to notice it, you know, interesting thing, because you're one of those people that are very, how to say, average in terms of their reaction towards what I have to say. You listen, you hear me out, You go take a look one day, second day, third day, you don't give a shit anymore, and then you go on your own in a way, right? But those 2 days that you spent listening to me, after a month of you looking to the chart that doesn't really mean anything to you, kind of starts kicking in. And kind of starts kicking in terms of, whoa, you told me about that ages ago, but I still remember it, you know? I didn't write it down, even though he told me to. I still remember it, you know? That's how learning works. That's how it is, you know? But man, good to know. Good to know. So we have to go a step deeper now. If you're starting to, what's the best next step you can do is after you start noticing the model, for example, as yours is the, let's say, YouTube 2022 that you started to notice, right? Next is to start slowly, not right away. No need to jump into it straight ahead, you know, but next best thing to do is to start looking. There's some news going on right now, isn't there? Probably there is. Kind of next best thing to start doing right after is to start surrounding yourself with rules, with not a bunch of random rules that you probably don't even need, but start setting up a set of rules for yourself that you're gonna work according to, work with, work towards to. For example, not trading during the news, right? What do you think about that? You know? Because YouTube 2020, so YouTube 2022, the entry itself, right? It happens 10, 15 times per day. If you're on low enough time frame, 1 minute, for example. If you're on a time frame that is low enough, YouTube 2022 happens shitloads of times per day. But then you can get into situations where you're taking trades and you don't know why you're losing and you're getting frustrated and you're annoyed, you know? But, for example, setting yourself up with a rule, very simple rule, then, okay, I'm not gonna trade the news. Might make you avoid, let's say, half of the positions that you're gonna lose. I'm just making this up in a way as a stat, but it could be true. It could be even worse than half of the losers, you know? So what I'm saying here, guys, start putting a, not a massive, but small set of rules for yourself. This is a possible short, watch this. Start putting a set of rules in terms of, okay, I'm gonna do this, but not this. I'm gonna try to avoid what Ignas has to say about, for example, NFP release, right? Or anything similar to that. Sorry about this. Yeah, watch that inversion. SMT into inversion, this should be cool. So SMT up here, inversion lower. This should be cool. Sell side for sure, less resting down below. Should be good. Okay. This will be a nice trade. So yeah. Start putting a rule set towards yourself in terms of, for example, just like I am right now. Don't engage too much with the price when you're tired, you know? Saying it out loud to myself. But I'm doing it just to keep myself safe and away from knowing the fact that where the failures might be coming in. And where I'm going with this is that I'm going into a topic of journaling with this. Journaling in terms of what we talked about in the, let me know the verbatim, what we talked about in the yesterday's actually newsletter, or today's. No, we're releasing a newsletter today. So, and it's gonna be about journaling again, but this time it's gonna be more about, so how the fuck do you actually do it? Because we talked about reasons of journaling, why it's good for you, why it's necessary, why is it actually helpful, you know? And they are simply understanding the stats behind what you do, you know? And the door behind me is open. Let me fix the door, okay? I hope you don't mind. You're gonna see my funny pants now. Don't laugh too badly, okay? Don't laugh too bad. I look like a Scooby-Doo fan with these pants, man. This is funny. But so far so good here. Watch Southside resting down below right there. I have my monitor set up so you're not seeing everything that I'm doing myself, because I can't share all the monitors. But that's what we. Yep. Shaggy, yes. Exactly, man. Exactly. This is nice. An inversion into a fair value gap, into a short right away. Outside resting down below, like I'm loving this. This opens up, you know the drill. We're not interested in this being taken. Would be cool. Immediately rebalancing it and going lower. Huh? Might not be. Then NQ is trading a lot lower. It is. Badly. Massive break of structure happening right now. With an impulse. With a willingness to go, per se. Yeah? Cool. Shaggy Gus. Looked like, right? Looked like. What do we have? Dollar pushing higher. Amazing. EU failed on us. They did. Do you know? Your time. So this is a 15 minutes possible inversion, right? This inverts. Okay. And I'm possibly even gonna go in now. With one contract. Stop loss 200. Oh. Yeah. And we're back at it. So setting up yourself with rules and going into journaling. And why journaling? Because a bunch of reasons. Because it's going to help you analyze yourself. It's going to help you analyze the model. It's going to help you trust the model itself. It's literally going to put you in a place to journal a lot if you journal enough. And if you trust the fact of that time is gonna cure all your problems, you know? My dad is calling. Just give me a second. We got about 25 minutes to go. So, I'm watching the chart. I'm interested to see what is gonna happen here. 15 minutes still holding. I'm not in a trade though, guys. So, we're holding on to this. Let's say not onto this, away from this. I want this opening. I want this minutes open up and then crash. But like crash big time. Would be cool, but we're not getting it. We are. Okay. Guess what I did? I just pushed the button. 5 minutes entry. Value gap right here. Plus inversion. Like, I'm gonna have to work this. If it fails on me, not a problem. If it doesn't, so good. And we push higher from here easy, because that's what I'm saying. We're missing a 15 minutes break of structure so far. We haven't gotten that. Huh? That's what I'm missing on the chart. If we would have that, ooh la la, let's go. I'm happy. You know? But we don't have it yet. Euro just... Phew. I don't know if you're watching what forex is doing right now. Crazy. Holy. So we have what? We have 3 more minutes for the market to fool around, but then come back into 56, 58.75. 56, 58.75. That's where we want the market to come back to. Would be nice. Would be great. If we don't, we don't. We're just gonna continuously push higher because we have that buy side liquidity pool resting above from higher time frame, don't we? We do. We always did, right? Because now this, if this opens up for a possible buy entry, right? In next 3 minutes. This is just retracement back into the regular trading hours. What is it? Opening gap. Regular trading hours versus electronic. Let me know if you want me to go through it. But basically, on paper, the market closes at 4 p.m. New York time. And it opens up at 9:30. But surprise, surprise, the chart still spins. The chart still goes. Nothing here is random, and nothing. So we pushing higher away from this. Interesting now. Now you have to play that guessing game in a way. Because you're in the 50-50. 15 minutes. Again, Thomas, I don't know if you're here, but remember we talked about how when manipulation is appearing. So we had the accumulation part. Now we're in manipulation part. If that was manipulation now distribution, we're too late. So the only expectation, the only high probability expectation from us is that we're in manipulation right now. The man in the suit is pulling the price higher now. So if that's the truth, if we've been caught in a manipulation now, in terms of not being caught, in terms of watching the chart right now and realizing that fact, I told Domus last week, very nice thing to do, which is don't go to lower time frames. You know? Wait for 15 minutes, 1 hour breaks of structure, 1 hour, 15 minutes YouTube and 22 entries. Don't go into places where you trust 1 minute break of structure bomb and then you look to take the whole daily range. No? No. We're not gathered here. Because here, right here, you can find a possibility in 5 minutes chart to go forward. You can find a possibility of optimal trade entry for longs. 15 minutes is not broken neither, so a long also is valid, right? But this is me talking. This is me talking about how I trade. Yeah? ICT probably right now is live stream and is talking about not touching it, or maybe how he already shorted 20 contracts. Like everybody has their own approach, their own point of view, right? Their own interest points in price, right? Just like GBP USD. One of our guys in Discord shorted it today. In my opinion, way too early. Not a good trade, not at all. My opinion, right? But who am I to say? Like, he's trading his stuff. Maybe he knows better. Not saying that I'm the know-it-all, you know? Yeah. This pushing lower through this, totally reasonable, you know? Sell side is resting down below. You know. Dangerous. Let's put it simply. Dangerous. But some of you should be in this, because for some of you, this is the model. This is what you'd work with, right? And if this is your model, like, why aren't you in a trade? I'm coming back to... I'm not talking circles here. I'm coming back to the point. And I'm saying, why aren't you in a trade in a way? Or why are you in a trade? Because you... Once again, I'm referring to Gus. To a guy, let's say, that just figured out, okay, I can see what Ignas is talking about day in, day out. To a guy that just kind of is understanding the price, the patterns, and all that good stuff. You know? Journaling is gonna push you in a place where you're gonna be able to understand whether this is your trade or not. Journaling is gonna put you in a place where you're gonna know at what point you're wrong. Journaling is gonna put you in a place where you're gonna know for fact that, okay, if 1, 2, 3 happens, ABC happens, I'm out. And you see how I'm bringing all that benefit of journaling into a place where you're gonna be able to basically save your balance, save your account with that, with journaling. Because everything that you're gonna talk about in there, you're gonna see how with time, you're gonna journal a lot more about how, dude, I just moved my stop loss and I saved myself from a bad trade. You're not gonna journal about how you made $2,000 because you're not learning anything from making $2,000. You're learning a lot when you do something good for your account, which is usually not allowing too much risk to occur. Interesting, but yeah. So Gus, put down a few sets of rules. You can use something that I talk about. You can use a set of, not a set, 1 or 2 rules. That's, put them down, start using them, and start journaling. Start figuring out what can help you improve as a trader. It's gonna be so good for you, man. Like, you're gonna fall in love with this quickly. Because that's where you're gonna grow. That's where you're gonna be in a place where you're gonna come to me and you're gonna say, listen, I didn't trade today, and I'm gonna, so you're gonna say, listen, I didn't trade because that's what I'm supposed to do, and you're gonna be happy. I won't give 2 shits about it, but I'm gonna congratulate you also, you know? But yeah, journal. And the beginning feels weird. Feels, I'm talking about myself now, feels maybe a little bit, how to say it, not masculine. Feels weird to do it. You feel like vulnerable. You feel precious in terms of letting something go that you usually hold on to. Because I bet everybody that is in this stream right now with us, you don't have nobody to talk with about what we do here. If you do, lucky you, man. But yeah, journal. Try to get to it. So what do we have so far? 5 minutes chart crashing down, which is amazing. I love that sell side liquidity pool. We might even push lower from now because that's what I said. I'm looking for Thursday to be high of the day. I love that possibility. Thursday we got it. Why? Because we SMT'd here at the top. Not only we provided that SMT, right? Algo is doing its work. Algo gave us a call saying, listen, I have a discrepancy. 2 markets that are supposed to trade in tandem are playing around. They're fooling around. One is trading higher, one is trading lower. Take a look. And we got that call. Then an imbalance right here that got filled, got broken lower. Boom. We enter right in there. Not only that, why I'm saying who is in a fucking trade right now, because you got YouTube 2022 offered also. You should be in a trade right now because there's SMT at the top, 1 minute confirmation. Thursday, I said on Sunday even, if not Tuesday, Thursday, we're gonna look for high of the week. We got high of the week. Let's go. Short. Bam. Should be looking at around 1% here. Hope you like it. This is cool. Like I'm loving this, man. I'm in love. Markets deliver like they're doing it right now, like that. And guys, again, I'm sorry about this, but we're gonna finish today early because I'm dead, I'm tired, I'm sorry about that, but and I just closing my trade. Hell yeah, good trade, man. Gus, can you send me the link? Because I didn't put it on, sorry. How do I do that? Resources, media files, I think, right? Did we do media files? Browser resources. Can you send me that link, man? Nice trade. Nice, nice. The thingy, the bar thingy. Oh my god, I put something on the bar thingy. Because we're in profit. Let's update the people watching. Let's do that. This is fucking nice. I'm excited to be back, guys. I'm excited. Here's the link. Oh, copy link. Let me do this. Why is it not working? Work. Oh, okay. Here we go. That's yesterday's balance. You know what's the balance right now? Hell yeah, what a good trade. What a good fucking trade. Nice. I just sent you the number, guys. 5,800. Let's fucking go. We're back, baby. We're back. We're back. We're back. Let's fucking go. Haven't been excited about taking a trade for 6 months. We've been going live for you guys, what, for half a year now. I haven't been excited about taking a trade like I am right now. Hell yeah. You did the thingy. And it changed the balance, didn't it? I have no fucking idea. I think it did. We were at 53 this morning, weren't we? I have no fucking idea what kind of balance we had. Yeah, we were at 53 because we were break even. We were like 40 bucks up today, right? In the morning, or no? Something like that. Dude, I'm bad at tracking this. Sorry about that. But, hell yeah. Let's go. And that, with that in mind, guys, to be fair, that's where we're gonna the stream. Think. Because like, what else do we need? Or do we need anything else? Probably not. Probably I'm just gonna go enjoy my time with my dad because he's visiting me, bringing us our dog, which is gonna join us tomorrow during the live stream, which is gonna be fun, which is gonna be nice. And tomorrow what we're gonna do? Tomorrow we're gonna go live for a long time, possibly. I'm gonna try to do my best because I want to talk. I want to talk a lot about price. I want to do a lot of reviews of what we've done so far. I want to dig deeper into the challenge itself because right now we're what, 500 bucks in a profit, dude. 10% up already. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I'm happy because that fucking drawdown was annoying for me. I traded this week when I was abroad. Not because I wanted, not because the possibilities were there. Traded because I had to. Felt pressure to trade, which is not good, but I'm handling it. Right? But guys, very honestly, Let me know if you have any questions. I still have like, let's say 5 minutes more. If you do, I'm happy to answer them. But Gus, I hope you're gonna come back after a few months and you're gonna say, listen, I did journal. I'm not looking for whether it was good for you, bad. You know? But I think I know the answer. If you're gonna do the work, you know? So do that. For everybody else, I hope you're staying safe. I hope you are enjoying this. Yeah, 2 months is too for a few. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this, and we're gonna say farewell. We're gonna say talk to you next time, and see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do my best to make it fun. Because I'm sorry, I hate showing up not. I hate showing up ill prepared. You know, because I'm just dead. I'm draining right now. But gotta do what you gotta do in a way. I hope you took this trade. Get the fuck out. Enjoy the summer. Enjoy the day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Subscribe, like, and everything else. Don't go yet. Like.